Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
What is going on, guys? Jack here, and welcome your beautiful faces back to the channel. But today's video, we're going to be telling you how to make a professional YouTube logo for your YouTube channel, guys. So let's just jump straight into it. So basically what you want to do is head over to your goddamn... No, you don't. You don't want to do nothing like that. What you want to do is go to new. Then you want to be doing a 500 by 500 because that's what the YouTube logo recommended size is. So what we do then, as with we've got a small little square right here. So what you want to do then is go over to place, and then what you really want to be doing is finding something what you've got. Now maybe it's a black square or whatever, but either way you're going to be changing the gradient of it. So if we just take this random image right here and we go like that, and we've just covered basically the square, then don't worry about the image. I promise you, do not worry about the image. So what we're going to do over here, we're going to go to gradient overlay. As you can see, there's no more image, it's just a gradient. So what what color scheme we're going to go with? We're going to go with like a red theme, and maybe like a not a totally black theme. We're going to go with a dark red. And then what we're actually going to do is we're going to inner glow this. It probably won't work though, because it will work, it will work, it will work. Right, we will inner glow it, but what we need to do is we need to basically make it the same same size as the square. Then this should work. So what we need to do is put that up a little bit. Yeah, right. So put it up to about there, and then oh god, click the little button at the top left hand side, and then it'll place it. Then what you want to do is go over to the image again, double click it, and then you want to go to inner glow. So now you want to go to a red. I don't know whether this will work or not, guys. I'm not actually too sure, but it should do. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Yeah, it's working, but it's only light. It's only light. But what it'll do is the bottom is actually really red, and at the top is a dark red, so it'll shine through. You know what I mean? So it does look really good. It does look really good. So another thing we actually want to do now, guys, is you want to be going over to text. Now, if you guys want any of these texts, I can link them in the comments. I'm not going to link them down in the description because I don't know obviously what fonts you guys want. But there's a lot of cool fonts out there, you know what I mean? There's a lot of cool fonts, but I'm just going to chuck this now to like 1,000. Just so it's a nice big text so I can expand it to however big I want it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put my YouTube name right there. Actually, wait a second. We're going to do that. And basically, we're going to stretch this out as much as we can, and to have it as big as we can as well. Yeah, we want it pretty much the full size of the logo, like so. And we're going to move this to about there. And then what we're going to do again, we're going to duplicate this like so. And then I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, obviously for my YouTube name, and then we're going to basically square this out in the middle, so it's like bang on in the middle. I'd probably say this is going to be like bang on in the middle. So what we're going to do then is we're going to change the gradient overlay. We're going to go light grey to a white, and then you want to move that into the middle-ish. Move that into the middle. Like so. Just give me a sec. There we go. Then what you want to do with this, you want to inner glow it. Then you want to go to the white. And then you want to go to... What? There we go, there we go. So you want to do about that. Then you want to drop shadow it. Now, the drop shadow is very, very important on this, guys. The drop shadow is very, very important. It always gives that really nice effect. Like, look how much better that looks to the 1, 2, 3, you know what I mean? It does look really, really good. And then with the 1, 2, 3, we're just going to go over to gradient overlay once again. And then we're actually going to go to the red. Actually, that needs to be a dark red. I'm sorry about that noise. It always does that when I do something wrong in Photoshop. So we're going to go to a darkish red, and then we're going to go put this to a light red, like so. Then we're going to go to inner glow again. No, okay, I'm sorry. Bloody hell, computer's telling me off. Then you want to go to a light red again, and then you want to put the choke to about 28, and just absolutely blast it out right about there. Then we're going to go drop shadow, yada yada. And we'll probably put that to about 9. And I think that looks absolutely insane. So the next thing we're going to do is, guys, this might be to your personal preference. It might not be. But this is what I would normally do is, if I do have a logo like I do have here, or maybe you want a Fortnite character, we'll go with a Fortnite character for now. Actually, no, we'll go with a Call of Duty character. We will go with Ghost from Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. And you just want to be putting that about there. Hopefully that's a nice clear image for you guys to see. Yeah, it's not too bad. Then what you want to do is put that there like that behind everything else, and then what you actually want to do is you want to double click this. You want to go over to blend mode, and then you want to click overlay. Now look how sick that looks, man. That looks absolutely crazy. I've done that within a short amount of time, you know what I mean? We don't want to spread that much. We just want to spread about 4 on the drop shadow of that. And there it is, guys. It's a pretty quick and simple, like, professional logo, you know what I mean? It's quick and simple. If you want a banner tutorial, I could definitely show you how to do that. But this is basically just how I make my thumbnails, guys. Like, I have made a previous video on how to make a professional thumbnail. If you would like to see that, I will link that down in the description for you guys. But anyway, it will be in the end card as well of this video. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed. If you have, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And I will see you guys on my next video. Peace out.